Alright, so today we're going to be testing ping. First thing you're going to do is open up Chrome, enter the URL http://www.ping.eu. Plug that in, and you're going to click on pin right here, or ping I mean right here. Make sure you have your IP address. I have mine copied, so I just want to paste it right there. I'm going to press go. Oh, whoops, never mind. I guess this is my IP. Might be. So we put that in. Let's go. Now it's testing. And there we go. Here's my average times for ping. It's pretty good if you ask me. I have pretty good Wi-Fi where I'm living right now. Pretty excited about it. It's surprisingly Spectrum, but I mean, it still works well. You can't beat that. So this is my video. Thank you.